All right, let's kick off the Christmas spectacular with Meatball Crackers. All right, as you can see here, I've got 1 pound of 80/20 ground chuck, approximately 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, and then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of diced onions. And while I'm on the topic, about 80% of you are unsubscribed that watch me. So if you could hit that subscribe button, that would be fantastic. If you don't want to, just enjoy the show. And if you were my subscriber, you might want to check to make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube loves to unsubscribe people. Then you want to add 1 or 2 teaspoons, of dried basil, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of kosher salt, well, 1 to 2 teaspoons, and about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. And then you want 6 tablespoons of milk. Oh, by the way, the breadcrumbs should be 2/3 of a cup, not a half a cup. I apologize, I misspoke. Then you want 2 eggs to go in here. Eggs kind of act like a binder for meatballs. And then you want 2 cloves of minced garlic. Place the paddle attachment on, and on the low speed, mix this until everything is mixed together. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, I've got enough crackers here to make approximately 16 sandwiches, or 32 crackers. Again, it's really kind of important to do this by even numbers so you don't get all mixed up. So basically what you want to do is you want to start with about a 1/2 ounce ball. I think that's what they were. And you just want to make them, they're about the size of a gumball, if I had to equate them. And then you just want to press them into little itty bitty patties like this. And now you see we've got our patties all made. And now you want to add to the other crackers some freshly shredded mozzarella cheese. Just kind of a finger full of it if you want to just make sure it's covered. And by the way, I would line my baking sheet with either aluminum foil or parchment paper, or you're going to have a massive mess when you take this out of the oven. By the way, you should preheat the oven to 325 degrees. And then you want to bake this for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. I put mine for 11, and they were perfectly done when they got out. But again, I know baking times vary around the country. All right, let's get them in the oven. Okie dokie, as you can see here, they've been in the oven for that 11 minutes. And they're ready to be put together. So let's go to assembly. All right, you've got the meat side of the cracker down. Now you just take one of those crackers with cheese on it and place it on top. And that's really it. A good side to serve with this is some marinara sauce. So that's meatball crackers. Done. And this kicks off my Christmas spectacular. 25 days, well, 24 days of one video a day. And then we finish off with the Christmas Day kind of marathon. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. But that's Meatball Crackers. Done.